Okay, now I am going to discuss about types of mooring. Okay. Okay. Types of moor. Okay, there are different types of moor. Okay, and among the mooring, the first one is open moor. Okay, now second one is standing moor. Third one is running moor. Okay, and fourth one is Baltic moor. Okay, another one is Mediterranean moor or Med moor. Okay, and okay, now total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 moorings are there. Now, now I am going to explain how these moorings are happening. Okay, so all these moorings we use anchors. Okay, okay. In some ports, uh, while ship is having difficulty due to uh, strong current or okay strong current or headwind, okay, or rough weather. So to maintain the position against all these things, uh, on one anchor is not enough. Okay, so by you will, before arriving to the anchor position, you will calculate all those things in mind, and you will decide whether to use one anchor or two anchor. Okay, so if you are using two anchors, okay, then first three open moor, standing, and running moor will come. Okay, the two Baltic moor and Mediterranean moor is usually used for berthing and unberthing. Okay, this open standing running moor is normally for anchoring and the vessel for the vessel to maintain its position and to prevent a dragging. Okay, so in the open moor, okay, first the vessel will come like this. Okay, this is the vessel. Okay, the vessel is going in this direction. So there is a headwind like this. Okay, okay, so you want to this is your anchorage area. Okay, you want to the port authority will tell you you have to maintain the vessel within this anchoring position. Okay, so if in normal case, if you drop anchor here, anywhere on here, so anywhere here, the vessel will remain like this, and due to strong swell or something like that, vessel will keep dragging. Okay, so depending upon the previous experience of the other vessels, all this information will be given in the chart due to nature of seabed and all those things. Okay, so to avoid this, you may use two anchors. Okay, so first you will approach. Okay, you will approach, and you will drop the weather anchor. Okay, weather anchor means whichever anchor which is facing towards the weather side. Okay, that means in this case weather is coming from this side, so you will drop the port anchor first. Okay, you will keep dropping, and you will come to a position. Okay, and your vessel will come to a position like this. some error. Okay, and you will drop the second anchor. Okay, so this anchor will become stretched like this. Okay, so once this anchor is also dropped, okay, uh, uh, to reach from position A to position B, okay, once after dropping the anchor you have to use the engine, or and you will keep paying out the anchor cable. Okay, as soon as the vessel reached position B, you will stop paying out port anchor. Okay, and hold the brakes. Okay, once the brakes is hold, you will drop this anchor. Okay, once this anchor is dropped, okay, you will pay exact amount of this how much is this cable. Okay, so you will pay this much angle also like this. So what happens, you have a weather like this, and you have an anchor also, port and starboard anchor also like this. You will pay exact amount. For example, this much like this 5 shackles. Okay, you will also pay 5 shackles. Okay, you start paying 5 shackles. Now because of the wind coming from upward, the vessel will head towards the wind. Okay, the vessel will head towards the wind. Okay, and the anchors will be like this, and this anchor will be like this. Okay, so due to strong wind, you can the anchor will stretch, and the vessel will come further backwards. Okay, like this, and both the anchors will be form a V shape. Okay, V shape. Okay, and both the anchors will chain will lead almost 1 points. Okay, 1 points on both the sides. So this type of mooring arrangement, moor, is called open moor. Okay, open moor. So in open moor, there are few things to uh, uh, a few things to uh, uh, be let me. So I will read the procedures that is given in a book. Okay, so the procedure is: approach the anchorage with the wind or current on the bow. Okay, so this is anchorage area, approaching with the wind or current on the bow side. Okay, this is bow. Okay, and weather anchor or upstream anchor is let go first. Okay, so this is the weather anchor, port side anchor, let go first. Okay, headway continued cable laid of 1/3 of the final length. For example, you decided for this holding ground you need to lay down 6 shackles. Okay, you need to lay down 6 shackles. Okay, so 1/3 of that. So 1/3 of 6 shackle is 2 shackle. Okay, so you lay down only 2 shackles from this point to this point. Okay, and from the first point to point A to point B. Okay, then drop the second anchor, that is other side anchor. Okay, so, and then first anchor snapped by gypsy, that means stop the laying port anchor and hold the brakes. Okay, and the vessel brings to on her weather cable. That means due to the weather port anchor cables will become more stretched, and it will gradually grow toned to the windward side. Okay, so both develops a rapid swing into the stream or wind. Both anchors are weird. Finally, anchor are 1 point on each bow. Okay, so this is open moor.